Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to add a key value pair to the dictionary. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this line defines a function named add key value that takes three arguments: dictionary, key and value. Here dictionary, the dictionary where a key value pair will be added or updated; key, the key to add or update in the dictionary; and value, the value to associate with the specified key. Now for the next line here, this is a docstring which describes the purpose of the function to add the key value pair to a dictionary, the parameters dictionary, the dictionary to update, key, the key to add, value, the value associated with the key, and return value, the value updated dictionary after adding the key value pair. Now for the next line here, this line adds the key with the value to the dictionary. If the key already exists in the dictionary, its value is updated to the new value, and if the key does not exist, the new key value pair is added. Now in the next line here, returns the dictionary after adding or updating the key value pair. Now this line creates a dictionary named my dictionary, which the following key value pairs as name, age and city. Now for the next line here, this line prints the initial content of the dictionary before any modification. For example, this will print the same as my dictionary, name and the value. Now for the next line, this line prompts the user to enter a key they want to add to the dictionary, and the entered key is stored in the variable key to add. Same as the next line, this line prompts the user to enter the value for the key and stores the result in value to add. Now in the next line here, the add key value function is called with three arguments, and here my dictionary, the dictionary to update, key to add, the key to add or update, value to add, the value to associate with the key, and the updated dictionary is returned by the function and stored in the variable updated dictionary. Now for the last line here, this line prints the dictionary after the new key value pair has been added. So let us check this program. As the original dictionary is given, now we need to add a key. I am adding as country, and now we need to enter its value. I am adding as India. So the updated dictionary adds the new key value pair to the previous dictionary. So thanks for watching this video.